Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about the 5 things that you need to know about what happens at an eviction. Many landlords are under the impression that once they receive an order from the landlord and tenant board, that they can just call the police and the police will come and remove their tenant. Well, the police do not have the authority to remove the tenant, even with an eviction order. Here is what you need to know about the eviction process. Number 1, upon receipt of an order from the landlord and tenant board, the landlord must file with the enforcement office in order to book a date and time with the sheriff. Usually it'll take about 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the backlog of the sheriff, to book a date and time for the eviction. The office of the sheriff will contact you, usually to book a date and time, in advance of probably 4 or 5 days. In which case they will inform you to also make sure that you have a superintendent present or you have a locksmith present in order to have the locks changed. On the day of the eviction, the sheriff will arrive at the property. They will post a notice of vacant possession to the door, and this confirms regaining access to the property and control of the unit. On the day of the eviction, the sheriff and the locksmith will arrive, and the locksmith will change the locks. What happens with the tenant's belongings? Well, the tenant has 72 hours to make arrangements with their former landlord to remove their belongings from the property. Any belongings left in and on the property after the 72 hours now belongs to the landlord. The landlord may then keep, sell, or dispose of anything left behind. If you have any questions regarding the eviction process, call us first.